All right, next up we've got these 12-ton Daytona jack stands. These are huge. I also have the 3-ton and the 6-ton. Let me zoom out here. There we go. I also have the other two they offer. I was really happy with those, so I saw these in the store and I had to get a set. I need to get... I have 4 of the 3-ton, as you can see there, and then I have 2 6-ton. I need to get 2 more 6-ton and probably, just 2 more 12-ton, so I have complete matching sets. But I'm gonna pull these big suckers out and check them out. Okay guys, got them out and they are massive. I'm super excited about them. I don't know what I'm going to use them for right now, but holy, they are huge. There's the 3-ton, obviously, compared to the 12-ton. The 6-ton that I have are being used. So I have all 3 of them. It tells you the max height right there. Max height 30 1/4 and 19 3/4 for your max and your minimum. As far as the build, if you have any of these others, they're built the same way, which is great. They have these little foot pads on the bottom. The 6-ton also have the foot pads. These obviously don't. I feel like these are too small for what I do. They're okay. If you're not wanting to get too far off the ground, then these will do you just fine. I think the 6-ton is more ideal for me, for the things I do. These 12-tons though, if you're looking to get way off the ground, then this is what you want. And if you have 12 tons you need to hold, I guess. But yeah, if I were to say what to go buy, I'd probably tell you to get the 6-tons, which I'll show you real fast. Show you what the 6-ton are, which again, they look identical to the 12s. They're just a little smaller, but yeah, that's what you're gonna get there. I think this is a perfect size. It's something like that. But if you just want something massive, and I would say these are the way to go. They have a lot bigger footprint. Let me just show you. That kind of gives you all the specs. That way we don't have to sit here and measure it out. So I'm gonna put it up all the way. There you go. So that just gives you some perspective on how huge these things are. Let's try to zoom out, but that's as far as it'll go. But yeah. Yeah, so there you go. $150 for the big ones for a set. I don't know off the top of my head for a set of those. I think they're like, I don't even want to say. I'll put it in the description how much and links, so how much to the price differences. But again, if I were to recommend anything, I would say go with the 6-ton. I've had really good luck with all of them. We're gonna try these out, but I don't see they'll be any different. They work great. I feel safe with them. A lot of people have been buying them up. These are actually kind of hard to come by where I'm at. They keep selling out. All right, I thought I might as well haul this to the front of the garage and give you a comparison on the 6 to 12-ton difference. It's a lot bigger. This one's fully extended, and it's about, let's see, put my hand about right here. And that's only about 3 clicks up on this guy. So, if you're looking for a reach, is kind of what I was after, then I guess that is what you want to get. But these get you quite a ways off the ground, but these are just hard to beat as far as that goes. Just wanted to show you guys the difference. But you can't go wrong here. Definitely get you a set. These are pretty cool though. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.